Hello. Today I am going to be teaching you about some of the many features offered in VS Code. In a separate video, I will teach you how to install and set up Visual Studio Code, a code editor with the most recent version of Python. Before we get started, I want to give a little bit of information about what a code editor is and why we need one. A code editor is a program that allows you to write code, compile code, and debug code all in one place. While there are a wide variety of code editors with a wide variety of different features, this video tutorial will be focused primarily on Visual Studio Code for Python. Other code editors that can be used for Python include Mu and PyCharm, among many others. One common feature that is included within many code editors, and in this case Visual Studio Code, is an autocomplete feature. This feature allows VS Code to guess what you are typing, and give you several of the most accurate suggestions that you can select from to make writing programs faster. For example, if you have a variable that was previously declared named a very large number, typing in a very into Visual Studio Code will allow you to select the autocomplete option for a very large number without actually typing it all out. Similar to how Microsoft Word will underline words in red that are misspelled, Visual Studio Code will also underline syntax errors in red. While not all syntax errors will be caught, this feature helps to ensure that your program is more likely to compile and run successfully. Visual Studio Code also features a terminal, which will allow you to give inputs to your program from your computer, and to read the output from your program. The terminal will also display important messages such as error messages that can assist you when trying to debug your program. Not only are you able to run your programs with or without debugging of Visual Studio Code, but you are also able to create line breakpoints. These breakpoints will stop your program before executing the specific line that they are on. This tool can be very helpful when you are trying to find out where a certain error is occurring within your program. Now that we've went over some of the basic features available within Visual Studio Code, we will be able to begin installing and setting up Visual Studio Code for use with the latest version of Python.